Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us and sharing your inspiring speeches in our competition. We're so thrilled to have determined such talent and dedication. Keep practicing and challenging yourself to grow even further. We wish you all the best in your journey ahead and keep up the great work.
Honorable judges, honorable judges, we have seen rapid industrialization and economic growth over the last century. While empires may have risen and fallen, we still have one problem that has persisted and even intensified to this day. That problem is climate change. Hello, greetings honorable judges. My name is Aditya Jaya, and I'm here to stand before you to address a problem that will determine our future if we don't act responsibly and decisively. We all know that protecting the environment is crucial. It's not just about preserving nature, it's also responsibly managing our natural resources without leaving a path of auto-destruction. Right now, we are dependent on oil, coal, and gas to create energy, which are very unsustainable methods. But they take a million years to form, and not to mention, we don't know how long they can last until we run dry of them. But there are alternatives, such as solar energy, hydroelectric energy, and nuclear energy. Those are very viable options, very environmentally friendly, and becoming increasingly efficient. One of our best bet right now is nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is incredibly efficient, produces almost no pollution, and is incredibly efficient, produces no pollution, and crucially, most of our coal power plants can be converted into nuclear power plants. We must be able to refine these alternatives so that we can create a future powered by renewable energy. And not to mention the disastrous consequences if we don't start today with protecting the environment. Imagine a world where food and water are scarce, natural resources and electricity is nowhere to be found, natural disasters happening everywhere, and the temperature is as hot as in the Death Valley. Do you want a world like that? Do you want a world do you want that world just because of human error and irresponsibility? Do you want such a world to be passed down to future generations? This is why it's not just about saving the environment, it's also about saving us, ourselves. The Earth has survived so much more than climate change. The ice age, meteors, and so much more. The Earth will continue, but if we don't change our ways, we will create a future where humanity struggles to survive. This is why I want to reframe the phrase, we're killing the planet, into we're killing ourselves. Everyone has a responsibility to protect the environment, not just governments, not just corporations, not just environmentalists, all of us. We need to be able to protect the environment at all costs, because protecting the environment is safeguarding our future. We are safeguarding a future for ourselves, our family, our loved ones, and our children. We need to be able to protect the planet because the planet is our home, our legacy, and ultimately our responsibility. Thank you, judges, for listening to me. Thank you.